going to cut out. I'm going to show you how to make a model of the Circle of Willis. So all I'm going to do is take this, fold it in half, twist it, and so we have the Circle of Willis here, and the basilar artery and the vertebral arteries. Now I'm going to use these two pink ones for the two main arteries to the cerebellum. And all I'm going to do is put one at the base here, so it's your inferior posterior cerebellar artery. And above it here, you're going to have your superior cerebellar artery. Now I'm not going to put any, so here we now have the vertebral, basilar, two of the cerebellar arteries. I'm not doing the pontine because they're kind of small. The next one I'm going to take is I'm going to take this and I'm going to wrap it around here. Actually, easier way would probably be to come in here, bring it in here, and wrap it around. Here and here to make the posterior cerebral artery. So you can see the cerebellar arteries, posterior cerebral coming off here, and the Circle of Willis. We're not done. We also have two arteries that are coming in, which are the internal carotid arteries. And they're going to come into the Circle of Willis and give us the middle cerebral arteries coming out here. I'm going to make it on two sides, so we have one there, one over here. So we have the two internal carotid arteries coming into the Circle of Willis, going out to the middle cerebral arteries. The last one I'm going to make is over here, and I'm going to make the anterior cerebral arteries. The easiest way to do it would be to make a U, come around, and now we have the two anterior cerebral arteries. Well, this may look like a mess right now. I will take the skull and show where it would actually end up being. That should work. Well, not anatomically perfect. You can actually see the anterior cerebral arteries, the middle cerebral arteries, posterior cerebral arteries in orange here. So all the cerebral arteries, I made them in orange. You can see the cerebellar arteries, basilar artery. The anterior communicated would be here, posterior communicating here. And so you now can see the Circle of Willis in a skull.